Stop believing that you smoke clear. Stop believing that the smoke clear. I got diamonds proving till she slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna line when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Where you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. And I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my ladies, some action. These days, no kumaye. Niggas be plastic. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty middle. But this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Cause do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. Would you tell her all my secrets if I let you close?
They say pick me up, put me on a this better way to stop. It's time to get off. Keep it going, keep it coming, keep me coming. Make me want it, don't you want it? Don't you love it? How you want it? Where you want it? Where we going? Oh, living on the block. Oh, just whatever you want. I wanna please you more. Whatever turns you on. Just let me know. I'm so creative, the way that you make it love to me, to me, yeah. No one's ever done it, that is what I wanted all the time, oh yeah.
Dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. Dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Hands up high, say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.